Today, we're diving deep into a review of Crowne Plaza London, Docklands and IHG Hotel, located in Newham, London. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At Crowne Plaza London, Docklands and IHG Hotel, you don't miss out on recreational opportunities, including an indoor pool and a fitness center. Additional amenities at this hotel include complimentary wireless internet access, concierge services, and babysitting surcharge. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Excel Exhibition Center, 5 minutes walk, O2 Arena 36 minutes walk, Westfield Stratford City 9 minutes drive, and also close to attractions like London Stadium 8 minutes drive, Tower of London 11 minutes drive, Tower Bridge 10 minutes drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. The staff, including Mona Lisa, Didi, Sarah, and Irena at the Quad Club, are all amazing at the Crowne Plaza. They really make you feel at home and are really helpful. Special mention to Didi, who found my phone when I lost it a month ago and kept it safe for me, smiley face. Have stayed a number of times and always enjoyed it. The location is great if you want to get to the Excel, and it's close to the Elizabeth line and cable cars to the O2. The breakfast was lovely, especially the mushrooms which were cooked with herbs. The rooms are spacious and very clean. Amazing staff, most helpful. Unbelievable, especially Gustavo and Victoria. The food and drink in the restaurant was amazing. We had a lovely evening meal and were given an upgrade to a junior suite as it was our anniversary. We will definitely be coming back. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 7/10, for couples, 9/10, for friend groups, 7/10, for solo travel, 8/10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 8/10, cleanliness, 9/10, service, 10 out of 10, value for money, 7/10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip.